This jumbo box braid, y'all. Like, y'all feel what I'm saying?
Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun morning, babe.
Hey guys, it's your girl Shantana Redman and welcome back to my channel. As you all can see by the title of today's video, I will be showing you guys a jumbo box braid. Yes, with some curls at the end. So if you're interested, make sure y'all stay tuned to see how I achieved this beautiful box braid done by your girl. If you haven't gotten a chance to subscribe, make sure y'all hit that red button, turn on the post notification bell, so the moment I upload, you will be the first to see. So stay tuned, guys. Went ahead already and pre-sectioned my hair, oiled it, moisturized it, and add the rubber bands to my hair. So in total I have 15 strands of twists. Recently I did I trim all my damaged ends, so the twists are not actually sealed before we actually get started. So it's 1 pack of expression braiding here. I try to use 1 pack. I cut them in 2 because it's 84 inches, and I put them on my hanger. Yes, I don't have the rack, so I'm using what I have at home. So in total it will be 15 strands of hair. I didn't feed out these because I don't like doing it, so I asked my little sister to do it, so thanks to her. But if you can't manage either, or you don't have a little sister like me, you can always buy the pre-stretch hair and use it. So that's it. So I'm gonna start out the back, and then when I reach at the front I come back to you because I know I will be struggling at the back. So let me start at the back and then come back to you guys. Okay, ahead and finish the back part. I struggled because I didn't have a mirror, so all the judgment was just based on how the hair feel on my hand. So if it's not that flawless, then it's okay, sis. Like, so this is all it looks. Y'all, so this little one that is peeping out right here is that my hair cut really low, and I was trying really hard to get the gel to hold it, and then my gel finished on me. I didn't even realize, but it's gonna work. It is gonna work. But the plaits are coming on really nice. I'm gonna pin up back this side of the hair, then use my little clip to hold them down so they don't get in the way. Right, so what I do is that I comb it out with my tail comb to make sure my hair is properly detangled, right? And as you can see, the short hair coming out. So eco gel, yeah, I have to go for that one and apply to my hair. So what I do is that I just a small portion, you don't really need much. You just apply it to the hair to kind of let it smooth out a little. Yeah, I want it to smooth out a little, and then I go back in and comb out again just to make sure it's not detangled. But for sure I would recommend hedge control or any thick hair wax just to keep down your hair, to keep it down smoothly. But if you don't have it, that's fine. So this is the hair. So it was already pre-sectioned already. Make sure you feed out the ends, and then wrap it around like this to cover the rubber band. Then you swing this here underneath, this one out, this one as well. So we're going to start to plait the hair now. So plait it. But what I do with my natural hair is that I let it be the base, or use my natural hair by itself before I actually piece it in. To me it works out that way much better. And as y'all can see, the short end is like peeking out, so definitely a hair wax would be really good if you have any to help to hide in your natural hair. It's gonna peek out, but we're gonna find a way how to hide that little piece, and then you basically plait under secure. And from time to time, I will use some of the Eco Gel because I don't have the ear wax. And I just apply it to smooth out the hair and apply. So it's straighten out and then apply. So when it reach almost to the end now, when I reach to the end now, that's where I'll like take out piece, like a small portion, not too much, and carry under. Hopefully I'm explaining it to you clearly, guys, or if you can watch and see, do so. So I have, you can see a little piece of the natural hair here, and then I twist around and then carry it under and continue. So if you realize this piece is thinner, so from time to time as you carry under, carry over, you take small portion, not too much, and interchange on each strand, because at the end you want all of the hair to be on that one thickness. So you go back in with your Eco Gel and then you apply, and then you apply. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. These are my natural hair, so I need to get something to cover them, but you're not seeing the rubber band. You don't know if it's actually rubber band underneath. Some of the hair actually got twisted out of the way, but that's okay right here, but that's fine. Let's go. So I'm going to speed up the process, and then when I reach at this last one, then I'm going to go slow again, just in case you get it. And there's a possibility I show you a trick for this one as well. So let's jump into it. Promise, guys, I said I was going to come back and show you a little trick with this hair. So I don't, if you're new to this whole braiding system, it might be new to you, but if you're not, then definitely you know, when you see this in my hand, you know what's about to go down. So the trick that I learned, not a trick, because it's a trending thing, because I've used this for all my passion twist style. So just in case the method that I show you can't grasp, here is a next option that you can do. So push the needle through your hair, gather the hair that you're going to use to plait this one, make sure so everything is evenly distributed out. That's a must. But depending on the amount of hair you're trying to feed through, it might not go through. So what you can do is kind of twist the hair like this, hold it really tight, and then you can feed it in the cushion needle, lock it, and try to grab it as quick as possible. Yeah, so it come out. Try to make sure you find back the hair itself, so there is none leaving out. So when you pull one side of the hair, you secure all the next side, and then the next side you pull through, and then you make sure you feed up back the hair, make sure that it's on one level. apply the ear wax or the hair gel, a tip based one, not a water based one, thick one. And then now for this one, we're gonna, here it is, then we're gonna wrap with one strand of the hair and wrap around. Just wrap it one time. So one wrap. Once you make that one wrap, basically you're gonna feed out the hair now, which is your natural hair. So once you make that wrap around, you're going to hold it tight, because remember you're adding the rubber band, and then you have the next section of the braided hair along with your natural hair, which is going to sit in the middle. So you wrap around, add the rubber bands, and then you plait, continue plaiting. Hope that one was clear enough. So if you have to watch this over to see what exactly I did, then go ahead and do so. And continue now. So pretty much that's it. So I show you guys how to do the wrap method without the crochet needle, and I also show you without the crochet needle. So pretty much this is how my braided hair are looking. Yes, I am so ready. So the plaits to some extent are consistent, some of them are not, but that's fine. See, they're coming out really nice. Okay, so we're just gonna trim up the flyaways. I'm not These are the rads that we're going to use. So this is how it is. We're going to apply just to the tip part of the hair, not too far up. I'm going to use a teacup that I'm currently not using, and chances are I might use it for my hair purpose as well. Careful as to how you're applying the hot water to your hair. My natural hair is still shooting out. I don't think I want to cut it. I just need to get some gel to paste it down so it hides, because I don't want to be cutting too much of my hair. Finishing look of my jumbo box braid installed by yours truly. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know if you're liking it or not. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't gotten a chance to subscribe. Remember to tell a friend so that friend can tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share as well. See you next time. Bye guys.